In this video lecture, I want to explain how you can interpret the powder XORD file by using MS Excel in order to find H square, K square and L square value that are used for the further calculation of HKL value. So first of all आप powder XORD फाइल को सिलेक्ट करोगे. जैसे आप सिलेक्ट करेंगे आपको 2 थीटा और इंटेंसिटी की वैल्यू ऑब्जर्व होंगी. इनको आप ऑल वैल्यूज़ को सिलेक्ट करेंगे. कॉपी, ओपन द MS Excel, take 2 theta value on x axis, intensity on y axis, paste all values, plot graph. This is resulted graph of your XORD file data. So now we have to confirm the major peak value. For this purpose we assign the all 2 theta value for all major peaks. Two theta value for first peak is 7.78, for second is 15.62, third 23.52, fourth 31.52, fifth 39.72, in order to calculate the H square, K square and L square values, sum of all these values, we have to find the ratio of sin square theta to minimum ratio. For this purpose आपको first of all theta value determine करना होगी. Theta value will be obtained by dividing the all to theta value. By 2. Copy this 2 number and simply drag, go to paste special, divide, click OK. This is the theta value. Now we have to find sin theta value. Insert formula, press equal to, then sin, start bracket, select number, close bracket, enter. Similarly equal to sin number, close bracket, enter. Similarly equal to sin, start bracket, select number, close bracket, enter. Equal to sin enter. Equal to sin, select number, close bracket, enter. Now we have to find sin square theta. For this purpose sin value is given, but power is 2, so we can write 2. Formula is equal to power start, bracket start, then select the number, this is the number, separated by comma, select the power, this is power, bracket close, enter. So drag all these value and we get the sine square theta value. So we have to find the sine square theta divided by sine square theta by minimum value the minimum value of sine square theta value is that will be equal to 0.00270 5. So for this purpose press equal to select, then slash sine square theta value, select, then slash, then divider, enter, equal to select sine theta value, divider, enter, equal to select, divide, divider, then enter, equal to select sine theta value, then sine theta minimum value, enter, equal to select enter. If we see the all values, this is round off 369, दिस इज़ 192 बिकॉज आपके पास 192.5 वैल्यू है तो मैथमेटिकली आप इसको 193 लिख सकते हैं और बाकी वैल्यूज़ आपके पास ऑलमोस्ट राउंड ऑफ है. सो एच स्क्वेयर प्लस के स्क्वेयर प्लस एल स्क्वेयर इज इक्वल टू 171 369 192 sorry 193 then 265. These are the all HKL value. अगर आप इन HKL वैल्यू को देखें तो आपके पास इट इज़ ए सम ऑफ ऑल टाइप ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर. सो दिस सिस्टम बिलोंग टू प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल. बाय यूजिंग दिस डाटा यू कैन फाइंड द HKL वैल्यू. फॉर दिस वीक it is equal to 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 and 0 1 0 plane. So assign the all plane on the major peak of spectrum. And by using these values h square, k square and l square value you can find the lattice parameter value mathematically. So in this video I want to explain how we index the powder XOLD data in order to find h square, k square and l square value by using MS Excel.